guys, good to have you back for another video. So to reset my car. In today's video I'm going to show you can get rid of this indicator over here of a Skoda Octavia 2021. It says that the service is due and the inspection is due. Let's start right away. First the ignition is turned on, then we're gonna have the odometer on the trip area. Press this once, then scroll down to find this over here. Once you are here, press this button once, a new menu appears over here. Then press and hold this for about 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Once you release the button, this menu appears. Surface, just go back. Yes, press this button, inspection, reset oil change surface, press again, go back, reset inspection, press again, do the check, and you'll see that this area is clean now for the inspection and the surface. This was a 2021 Skoda Octavia. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it helped you reset your car. Hope to see you next time in another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.